Some species of fish, such as the cascafe, have found ways to deal with the temporary lack of liquid in the streams that it inhabits. This scarcity of water is even beneficial to the cascafe, as it provides it with an abundance of food. When the waters subside, insects flock to the few remaining pools and puddles. It's an opportunity that the fish are not going to let pass. The cascafes possess an extraordinary sense of sight, which allows them to see even beyond the surface of the water. The hungry fish eagerly observe the terrestrial world in search of food. They can propel themselves out of the water with great accuracy to hunt insects that come near. They leap again and again to capture any unsuspecting insect. They can even detect fleeting dragonflies, which they attempt to grab in flight. It's a risky tactic that rarely results in a prize.